Hello, my dear students. Today I will teach you mathematics of class ninth, and from NCERT book we will be taking lines and angles. Before going into the exercise of line and angle, because there are only two exercises, we first of all we will be getting some knowledge, or we will be refreshing our knowledge about type of angles. So first angle which we will be refreshing as acute angle. Second one is obtuse, and third one is right angle. Okay. Fourth is straight angle, and fifth one is reflex angle. Then we will be taking some pair of angles also. So first, what is acute angle? Any angle which is having a value greater than 0 and less than 90 degree is called a acute angle. So if the value of x, say angle x, is less than 90 degree and is greater than 0 degree, then it is an acute angle. Okay, so any angle between 0 and 90, not 90, less than 90. Because if the angle is equal to 90, then it becomes right angle. So when x equals to 90 degree, then it is right angle, right? So it is like this. This is x equal to 90 degree, right? And less than 90, not equal to 90, less than 90 and greater than 0 is called as acute angle. Okay. Then what is obtuse angle? So any angle which is less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree is called as obtuse angle. We will not include 90 and we will not include 180. It is less than 180 and greater than 90. Then straight angle. What is straight angle? Angle, this one is a straight angle. So angle equals to 180 degree is a straight angle. Then reflex angle. Suppose we are talking about this. Say this one is angle x. Then this remaining angle from here to here is called as reflex angle. Okay. So reflex angle is nothing but 360 minus a particular angle given to you is reflex angle. Fine. So these are the types of angles which we'll be using in our exercise of lines and angles. Very simple. So if I give you example, acute angle, maybe 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, all these are acute angles. Mean between 90 and 0, not includes 90, because when the angle is 90, it becomes right angle. And when the angle is greater than 0, it becomes acute angle. When we say the angle is 0 degree, it does not mean anything, This is a line, say this one is a line. When I say angle is 0 degree, it means it is like this. And when I say the angle is 180 degree, so this line has turned angle like this. Then this is 180 degree angle, means straight angle. And when we talk about reflex angle, it is nothing but say this is a line. Say this one is the angle x, then up to this angle is remaining angle out of 360 degree is nothing but reflex angle. Very simple to find out. Okay. So now we will be taking some examples of pairs of angles, right? So one is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles is a pair of angles. Let us take two lines which are cutting like this. Then this angle and this angle, say angle 1 and angle 2, are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 4 are vertically opposite. And one thing which I must tell you is vertically opposite angles are equal. If the rays are like, if the lines are cutting like this, they are crossing like this, then we say that angle 1 equals to angle 2 and angle 3 equals to angle 4 under certain conditions. So vertically opposite angle, now you know that this and this pair 1 and 2 is vertically opposite, 3 and 4 are vertically opposite. One other thing is linear pair. What is linear pair? If I say this is angle x and this is angle y, then angle x plus angle y should be equal to 180 degree. Then these x and y are called as linear pair. If the two angles are such that they form, that their sum is 180 degree, they form a linear pair. Okay. Then one more thing which I want to tell you is that all this knowledge which I'm giving you in today's lecture, you might have done in your lower classes also. It is not new thing. Like, right? Yeah, like you must be knowing that if I write an angle, say this is a triangle A, B, C, then if we have to write this angle, we will call it as angle A, B, C. Mean where you have to take the angle, that point will come in between these two, the other two points. Like A and C are the other points, and we have to take angle at B. Then B will be in the middle of these two. This is the method of writing an angle, nomenclature. Then if I have to write angle C, I will write angle ACB, or I can also write it as angle BCA, one and the same thing. So always remember this thing, which is actually you might have studied in your lower classes also, but just for knowledge sake and for the students who are weak at geometry. Geometry is nothing but it's a kind of practice mathematics. If you will not practice the sums, you will be 100% forgetting the things in your examination. Okay, the NCERT mathematics book for ninth class, we have first sum which I will be writing on the board and then we will be solving it. So we have given that line AB and CD intersect at O if angle, given that angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degree and angle BOD equals to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So this much is the sum, right? We have been given that AB and CD intersect at point O such that angle AOC, what is angle AOC? This one, plus angle BOE, BOE, this one. These two angles are given as 70 degree. Okay? And angle BOD is 40 degree. BOD, this one. This one is 40 degree. And these two are given as sum as 70 degree. Find BOE. BOE. This one we have to find out. Okay, because we have given sum, not BOE. We have to find out BOE. Also, we have to find out reflex angle of COE. Just look at this. COE, reflex angle. Now this is angle COE, right? What will be reflex from here to here? So if we find this angle, okay, we can find reflex also. Very simple. So let us do it step by step. Now we can write angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equals to 180 degree. Why? This is a linear pair. Just look at this. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is total 180 degree. Very simple. It's on a same line. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. We call it as linear pair. Okay. But what is angle AOC plus BOE? AOC plus BOE is nothing but 70 degree. So this plus this is 70. So we are left with 70 plus, because this plus this is 70, we wrote 70 plus angle COE equals to 180 degree. So angle COE equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So angle COE equals to 110 degree. So we have find out that this angle is 110. Now any student can easily tell what will be the reflex angle of COE. Reflex angle of a given angle is 360 minus that angle. I told you, right? Because just look at this. This is angle COE. This is how much? 110 degree. I found out using this technique. Now, what will be reflex from here to here? This will be reflex of this angle. Mean 360 minus 110. So, reflex of angle COE will be equal to 360 minus 110, and it will be equal to 250 degree, right? It is 250 degree. It's very simple. So reflex angle of COE we have found clearly without any problem. I think it is clear to you. Now we will be finding angle BOE. So just look at the diagram once again. If you look at this pen, you can see that if I put this pen like this, there are three angles. This plus this, and it will be equal to 180 degree. You can sit there so that you can see it very clearly. Okay. So this angle, this is a line, like this was a line, you took this angle plus this angle plus this angle as linear pair. And if this is a line, this one is the line where I have put my pen, then what will be the linear pair angle? 110 plus question mark, mean angle BOE, plus angle 40 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So also angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Just see, COE, this one, plus BOE, this one small angle, plus DOB or BOD, this angle. So this is a line, and on the line three angles are there. Just see, this plus this plus this, all on the line. So the sum is 180 degree. Now what is COE? 110. BOE we have to find out. What is BOD? Given, already given, 40 equals to 180 degree. So it is 150 plus angle BOE equals to 180 degree, right? So angle BOE equals to 180 degree minus 150 degree. So angle BOE equals to 30 degree. So this one is the answer and this 250 degree is the answer. I think it was very easy.